Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Entitled Girl Goes Nuts After Dunkin employee refuses to take her order by police body cam station.
Open the door! She just beat me up and you locking me in here. She's steady assaulting me. I'm steady trying to get, he locked the door. Imagine he a customer. They speak in Spanish. He locks the door. She picked my dog up, tried to choke my dog. When she choked my dog, I choked her. I'm confused on why you kept the door barricaded when I'm the one that got.
You're trying to push out, and I don't know what's happening in it. But I understand. But I didn't know if you wanted to come out and beat her up.
No.
Okay, but I didn't know that.
I just came from the light.
Dang, ain't nothing worse than getting your ass beaten than somebody holding the door, stopping you from leaving, and you steadily get your ass.
And when I walking past, I stop. They flipping each other, so I'm like, whoa, what the?
On August 24th, 2025, an employee at a Dunkin' Donuts called 911 after a customer assaulted her. The culprit, Ania, apparently jumped over the counter after staff refused to serve her due to her obnoxious and demanding attitude. When officers arrive, they are met by the employee who had since locked the aggressor in the establishment.
That's gotta be a double L. You get beat up and you get locked in the store until the police get there. Oh yeah, your ass going to jail.
What happened?
She just jumped over the counter and fucking smacked me. I was taking her order.
Oh.
And she starts making all these insane demands, acting entitled and shit. And then she just attacks me like I did nothing wrong.
That's why we gotta say no to wrongs with rugs.
You open the door! She just beat me up and you locking me in here.
Stay in here.
I gotta come right now.
What happened?
I'm at work doing hair.
Okay.
You look like you need to get yours done.
What happened here?
She just assaulted me and my dog, and they barricaded me in here.
Did you go around the back?
That's how I went around the back, and then she smacked the shit out of me. I did not touch her. I went back there. I said, "What's your problem? Why are you doing this to me?" She said, "Get the out," and smacked the out of me.
And that don't even sound right.
I walked back there.
Nope.
I went in her face. I said, "Why are you talking to me like that? Why won't you take my order? I'm at work. I work at the salon across the street.
Okay.
Every time I come in here, she rude as hell to me."
Why would that?
I said, "She's just rude." Like, I say, "I want a bacon cheese croissant." I said, "Can you make my croissant not hard?" She rolled her eyes. She said, "F you, get the out." So she's ignoring me. So I walked to the back.
Okay,
I walked to the back. She threw the phone.
Yeah, get your ass
I
out.
yelled at her, whatever. I'm in her face. She smacked me, told me to get the out her face. I took her phone. I threw her phone. I walked right here. She pushed me. I turned around. I smacked her. I walked back around. She pulled all my hair up. I'm the one that's f***ed up. He started helping her, beating me.
Oh damn.
The black
I don't like getting jumped.
man saw everything. I don't have my other phone right. She took my phone. Then she started throwing my dog and choking my dog. And she choking my dog. He choking me.
How you choke a dog?
My other phone is off. I can't call the police. Couldn't do nothing. I'm banging on the door. As I'm trying to
They're
get away.
separated right now. I'm trying
She's
to get this
steady
started.
assaulting me. I'm steady trying to get. He locked the door. Imagine he a customer. They speak in Spanish. He locks the door. She picked my dog up, tried to choke my dog. When she choked my dog, I choked her. I'm telling her to put my dog down. She take my bag, take my money. I take her phone.
all right.
She throw my phone. We both going back and forth. I have a 6-year-old across the street in my shop.
Okay.
I cannot leave her in there by herself.
But you did.
I'm steady trying to leave. They steady assaulting me. Come right now. My phone is on 5%.
I understand. Can you do me a favor and just sit down over here and
Tell
get
Shinobi
this
she
started?
probably
Ooh, that shit on your lip got some shit on his lip.
need to come get that
Just
little
sit
girl from
down,
the
calm
shop.
down.
I can't calm down.
Just do me a favor.
And then I'm confused on why you kept the door barricaded when I'm the one that got.
Because you're trying to push out, and I don't know
I've
what's
been locked
happening
in here
it,
for
but
the
I
last-
understand.
Her mouth
But
foaming,
I
that's
didn't know if
disgusting.
you wanted to come out and beat her up.
No.
Okay, but I didn't know that. So it was better that you two stay separated than you coming outside.
Talk about calm down. A lady and a man just choked me up. The lady is right here.
She about to be like that Spanish dude on next Friday. No like dos. Gracias.
All right, just have a seat.
I'm calm. I'm not gonna touch her. I still gotta, it just happened.
I get it. Emotions are high.
I just left like.
Yeah, that's child abandonment.
I'm right at the corner from my shop. You keep coming straight to Harlem where Walgreens is. I went to go add the money on the card. My whole blew it up.
Man, just take that shit off.
Do you have
I'm steady trying to leave. She's steady running up.
You ain't hit her with the bing, 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 bing. You know, when women tell fight stories, they be always talking about some bing, 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 pop, pop, pop. Like they think I love a woman's fight story.
My other phone is dead.
Do you have
I'm trying to get some food and walk my dog. Dumbass.
Okay.
I can't calm down.
Just take it off. There you go.
Okay. Do you have an ID?
Everything is in my salon across the street.
Can you give me your last name?
Ooh, shit.
That's what I was trying to say.
I remember one time my ex, she left her wig on by the shower, and I was taking a shower in the dark, and she had left her wig in the corner. I reached out for the soap and touched it, and damn bust my neck trying to get out that shower.
I don't know. I'm gonna take a picture of him too. I don't know
What's your first name?
ANRYAH.
Okay.
He got a whole feline shirt on. I ain't wore feline since I was in 8th grade. And that was in 2005. He don't get no fucks about nothing. Don't make the report on him. He don't care.
ANRYIYIYAH.
Okay.
You're supposed to go like this.
Or no?
Can you back up a minute? I just saw everything.
That guy right there. Hold on. I will talk to them. Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat.
I just at Dunkin' Donuts.
Okay, here.
No, I'm not okay.
Just have a seat. I will be right back in, okay?
I think you need to lock that door again. She gonna leave.
Did you see what happened?
All I seen them was fighting. That's why I called the police.
Okay. So they were in there already fighting?
Right. I went for the door. The guy asked me to come in so they could break them up. So when I went for the door was locked.
Yeah.
So only thing I could do is call the police for you. That's it.
Okay. So you didn't see how it started? Or?
No.
Real N-word.
No. I just came from the light, and when I walking past and I stopped, they flipping each other. So I'm like, whoa, what the I do like that. The door was locked. So I just immediately called the police.
Okay. All right. That sounds good to me.
And that's when I lost contact. Yeah.
Okay.
The lady that worked there, she grabbed the dog. The lady that worked there, the lady that had the dog, which is a black lady, she was walking the dog back from them. She grabbed the thing and started. I'm like, whoa, hold on, you gonna kill the dog?
Yeah.
Oh no, let me call the police.
Yeah, he said the dog is what needed the real help.
Yeah.
All right. Do you have an ID by any chance, just that I can see?
I didn't know how it started, what was going on, because they was already fighting. Soon I walked up, they was already going on.
And they were both participating?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Appreciate it.
All right.
I think I should come later then.
Probably.
After speaking to a witness and getting the statement of the victim, officers go back and speak to confront Ania one more time to get to the bottom.
What they said her name was?
Okay. I came in, I went to the register, I ordered a water, and then I ordered a croissant. I said, when you make my croissant, can you make sure the bread is fresh? She looked up, she didn't say nothing, she rolled her eyes at me. I didn't say nothing. I said, like, when you make the croissant, like, I just don't want my bread hard. She looked up, did this, you can get out. I'm not taking your order. She walked off.
Damn.
Like why won't you take the
Why she look like Angelica from Rugrats?
order? Like, what's wrong with you? Why do you always do this when I come in here? Get the out. I'm not taking your order. You can get out. Bye. I'm like, why did you do this? So, hold on, hurry up. So, I walked around. I walked with her to the back. I'm in her face. I'm like, why do you do this? Like, why are you doing all this? Get out. She pushed me. When she pushed me, that's when I took her phone. Like, I didn't take it literally, but like, I tried to take it and then it flipped, it hit the floor. When it hit the floor, she picked it up. She behind me, walking, get the out, I'm walking, she talking. We get right there, but the whole time she behind me, she's not pushing me, but I could feel her doing this. So as she's doing that, I'm like, don't touch me. I turn around, smack her, walk right, I don't even get out the door.
So she did touch you, but you smacked her. Okay. That was incriminating.
I get right there, she yanked me down. Boom, we're fighting. I'm thinking he's breaking it up. He's holding me down the whole time. Okay. We're fighting, I'm trying to hit her, she's trying to hit me. My stuff fall, we get up again. As I'm trying to come over here, she comes and get me again. We're fighting again. This time.
You can't walk away from a fight. They still swinging. You gotta keep swinging until somebody ain't swinging no more.
He holding me down. I finally get her. I got a good grip of her.
My thing is, why is a grown ass man getting in a fight with a woman? Like, bro.
Here at this point, I'm like, okay, I'm letting you go. You let me go. I let her go. She pick up my dog. Try to choke the out of my dog. So now I'm trying to get my dog. Go. She put my dog down. I picked my thing up, my money. She picked my phone up. She threw my phone. Tried to crack my phone. I had 2 phones. She threw one. I pick everything up. I'm like, I'm about to go. I go to the door. She locks the door. He go in front of her. They speak in their language or whatever. And she called the people. She called somebody like, yeah, you're not finna leave, whatever. She making threats. I'm like, I'm finna go. I got a 6-year-old in my salon right now by herself. She locks the door. He in front of the door. As I'm steady trying to get to the door and stuff, like, me getting to the door, they both just locking me out at this point. Now I'm still trying to get out of stuff. I'm not.
Do you better than me? Cause I would have put both their ass right through that motherfucker. I ain't lying. I'm strong as hell. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you can tell or not, but I ain't no regular dude. Yeah. And then I been going to the gym too. See that cut right there? It's coming. It's coming. Boy. I would have Hulkamania their ass right through that glass window. I would have been like, bitch! Straight like that.
Getting her at this point, I'm trying to get out the door.
I got you.
The black man right there, he trying to be right there, and then I'm just locked in here, and then you guys.
What's your name?
Anaya.
Anaya? Okay. Well, the issue is that you can't be back there. Okay? So you're technically the person who escalated the situation by going back there.
That part.
Okay? That's what started the fight. Okay? So you're going to have to come with us, okay? We're going to go to the police department.
Okay, my sister 5 minutes away. Can she just get my dog and get my stuff?
Yeah,
I have a
I got you.
6-year-old in my salon.
I got you. But right now, you're going to come and sit in a squad car until she gets here.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay? You can, you got the dog? You can put it on a leash?
Do you want me to hold on to the dog or something?
Are you gonna say?
I love dogs and I love little dogs, so
I gotta go with
if
them.
you feel comfortable with that, I'll be happy to help you. But
Yeah, they feel like a.
I don't know what person that don't like animals, especially dogs, unless you're just scared of them. And if, yeah.
Sit in the slide.
they're 5 minutes away. You said?
Ariel. Sorry, he's
Good.
Just put the little guy down.
Ava. She's looking.
Ava? Little girl down.
Nice. Go ahead and hang up the phone with them.
It's FaceTime call, so it's like no, she won't know.
Yeah, you can still hang up the phone and FaceTime though.
Like my phone off, so this is the one that's on, so she not gonna know what's going on. Can you hold the phone though? Like, can she stay on the phone?
No, she knows where it's at, right?
No, that's the thing. They're not from over here. Like, I just went over here.
Oh, well, they know. Where are they driving to right now?
No, that's all on the phone. I have to direct her. She has the address of my salon.
Yeah, that's all she needs. It's right here, right?
It's down more, like in the middle.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, no, I gotta hang up the phone. You just said I have to wait in the spot.
Yeah, but I mean, you gotta leave the store.
Okay, this one.
But we're putting you in
I understand. And handcuffs for what?
You're doing it.
I can't just sit in the spot.
No, you can sit in there with handcuffs.
You said your family's on the way to pick up the stuff?
At least the cops are being nice.
Okay.
That's crazy that she got charged though.
They go through all the way back.
I'm gonna stay here.
In the end, Ania was arrested and charged with aggravated battery, and her dog was safely put into her sister's care until she was released the next day.
Damn. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.